This is code.org. Let's see what we have here. Puzzle 2 of 5. Look for patterns, repeated words or phrases in text. Enter the patterns you see in the dictionary on the right. As you type entries into the dictionary, the symbol for the entry is inserted into the text in place of the pattern. And again, this is demonstrating, like the video we watched, which was linked back here. It's demonstrating the compression of data, which is critically important. So let's start off here. So wake me up when it's all over, Iser and older. We're looking for repeated phrases, such as, I see right here, I didn't know, I was lost. I'm going to start with I didn't know and see if I can expand this. So and you see once I type a letter, but I'm going to do I guess the capital I, underscore, didn't, underscore, no. And we can see how much compression is occurring right here. So I didn't know, and notice that it keeps going. I was lost. So I'm going to do that. And it's, again, keeping track of how much compression we have here. I didn't know, I was lost. And maybe it would have been better just to do I didn't know, but we can keep going and try to figure this out. So what else is repeated? So wake me up when it's all over. Look how often they use didn't know, but that one's capitalized. So I want to break this up. So I'm going to get rid of I and do didn't know. Let's see how much this does. I was at 18%. Just breaking this up, because it's repeated in different patterns, takes me to 35%, which is great. Now, what else could we use? Well, I see that they use any repeated word is a possibility. So IM's repeated, but that won't do much. But any phrase that's repeated over and over again, I'm, underscore will help some. Capital and wake me up. Ooh, I want to get this super compressed. But what this is doing, it's replacing that data like it says with symbols. So then when it arrives at the other computer, the host computer, so on and so forth, it knows to refill all that data space with these symbols. Let's try another. Peter Piper, yes, definitely. Okay, so Peter pattern. We could do the. Let's look at it more. So what if we did, like they showed us in the example, we could do dollar. Okay, but then oftentimes this repeated phrase, $A is occurring. So maybe I want to do sun. So I'm going to highlight sun A, copy, Control V to paste, and you can even place them over here to get better compression. I'm already at 20%. And I'll often start with words, you, my. Let's do I underscore need. And then let's try share. 34% share underscore. He uses the term that's what several times. Underscore that's what. And this is a really great way to visualize how compression takes place. We've eliminated 39% of the characters using these symbols, and then when it arrives on the host computer, you can decompress it so it's readable. It's a pretty cool way to make data move faster even with slower internet speeds. Let's keep going.